No
It's
doubt.
heavy.
No doubt.
Then I can get on the bolt for that flex plate.
So right here's the timing gear of this car. Look at this. Yes. Car ran smooth too. You would never believe it. 1972 Dodge Charger.
There you go. You want it like that?
Yeah, a little up. A little up to where I can see what I'm doing. This is soft plug rejuvenation. Yeah. Yeah, soft plug 101. Look at that. Boom, done.
Nice.
Next, right here. Look at that. Next.
Hell yeah.
Next. Next. Look at this one. Next. Nice. Tear down. Tear down, Bobby Brown.
Most definitely. Good thing we did. That can go all the way out, right? With the connector rod on it?
I would think. This is how we gotta do it. But it's gotta get done. Gonna use that engine stand, gotta get it in the back of my truck. Take it to the performance shop, get it bored out. Yeah, 440 RB. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. Yep. Yeah. He's gonna jack that baby up. See if it lifts up pretty straight. Yeah, not bad. Yeah, there we go. Off to the motor shop. That's what we're doing, people.
Holy shit now.
We're gonna manhandle this. We're gonna put this in the back of my truck. That's what we're gonna do. It's a 440 raised block. Back of my truck. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna manhandle this. Look at that. There it is. Ireland's Machine Shop. Careful. Very professional. Ireland's Machine Shop, Erie, Pennsylvania.
Look at that. Give me your right. There you go.
Yep.
Loki. Look it up.
One head at a time. Yeah. One head at a time. Two heads are better than one. Can you tell me what kind of head these are? These heads belong to? Till next time, please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. God bless. Dropping these heads off at the shop.
Sorry.
Just do a video. Thank you.